Where are we, Mommy?
We're at our new house, honey.
What? This is our new house?
I'm Candy, no, Jessica. We're going to be crazy kids at our new house, right?
Yeah, we are.
And Mom's
I'm picking my room. Come on, Dad. Come on, Chase.
Oh, Walla's going to wait for you, Kevin, to go see your new room, guys.
Okay.
And Chase.
Come on, let's go.
Don't forget the chandelier. Whoa.
Mommy, come on. Wow, Mommy. This is amazing.
Stick up.
I love it. Mommy, are you okay? Mommy, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, Mommy. Let's go. Where's Daddy going?
Nowhere.
Are you sure? He won't get out of the car. He said for us to come in.
Whatever. Let's go, Jessica. I'm gonna have to go.
Okay. Oh, look at our new kitchen, Mommy. Mackenzie, what are you doing?
It came with a pause for Mom.
Not this new chandelier, kids.
It came with a pause for you, Mom.
Chandelier for
Oh, Mom, you got a new purse from our home.
whatever, honey.
There's an elevator! Yay!
Okay, come on. Come on. Beep.
In the elevator.
Come on, Jessica. Let's do what Mom gave in.
Yeah, come on, let's go pick our pick. Let's go.
Jessica. I think you might be excited about this.
James on the top bug.
Wow!
Kids, please don't fight.
Look at our bed.
Fight exactly.
You get the top bunk.
Kids,
and I
I'm
get the bottom.
taking a poop, so don't come in.
What, Mommy?
I'm taking a poop.
Oh, okay, Mommy.
Let's go check out the pool. Let's go check out. Let's see if there's a pool.
I'm not gonna flush it.
Come here, come
I
here.
gotta go to the bathroom.
No, I
gotta go pee, okay? Then we'll check out the rest of the house.
Come here.
Ew, Mom!
I'm sorry, I didn't
You didn't flush. Why didn't you flush?
Come, let's
It's
I wanted you to
disgusting.
smell it.
Mom! Oh my God, I'm so disgusted. What in the hell?
No such language.
Mom, Chase is throwing up in the new pool.
No!
Kids never say those words at home.
Come on. Let's go upstairs.
Nowhere.
Oh, wait, let's go. Oh, look at Mom and Dad's bedroom.
Yeah.
This is
Come
nice.
Come over here. Wait, there's a
Over
slide.
Oh, what?
I thought
Yeah, let's go down the slide.
I office.
Let's go.
Now I don't have
Again.
to go to the kitchen.
Here, come on, Gary. I'm
Mommy,
the
we're going down the
fastest.
slide again.
I'm the fastest. I'm the fastest. Look.
Whoa.
I'm checking out my office.
It's your turn, Jessica.
Okay, here I come.
Again. Woo.
I'm going to surprise the kids with a dog. It's going to be surprise.
Jessica, there's something exciting. I got
What?
I got you your favorite single.
My favorite singer?
Jojo Siwa. Bow. It's your favorite singer. It's Jojo. Go, thank you. Happy birthday and potatoes. Let's go down the slide together. Come on, Jessica, hurry up. Come on.
Is the dad back? Whee! Let's do it again.
Grab the laces down and
Let's have a good race.
1, 2, 3.
Let's do it again. I beat you.
Okay, I'll go down.
Ah! Whoa!
Are you sure just because they go down it?
Yes, I have a
It's
surprise on the table.
It's really,
Kids,
really high.
kids, I have a surprise on the table.
What?
Kids,
Did you hear that, Mackenzie? Daddy's got a
Yeah.
prize
Wait,
on the
come on,
table. Let's go, let's go.
No, wait.
Kids, hurry.
So let's put on the secret.
Need to back upstairs.
Oh my gosh, what's under here?
What is it, Danny?
It's a dog.
What?
Woof, woof.
Kids, I have to be honest with
What?
you.
What is that, Daddy?
I just went in there, picked up
Let me see,
a
Mackenzie.
something, and just went out. So,
What is this? Is this a jar?
Woof, woof, woof. Meow.
Tweet, tweet, tweet,
No,
tweet. It doesn't know what it is, Daddy. Is it? What is it doing?
Meow, meow.
I don't know
Quack,
what you
quack.
think what it called.
Doo, doo. Beep, beep.
But, okay, guys.
Gaga.
I'm,
Doo, doo.
he is really ugly, Daddy.
ZZ. I don't like
What is
Jessica.
this thing?
Oink, oink. Blah, blah, blah.
Mommy got.
My name's blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
What the heck are we gonna name it, Daddy?
Let's name
I'm so
let's name
sorry,
it
but
Poop.
when I was at the
Blah, blah.
bathroom.
Yeah,
What's his name?
Mommy didn't flush Daddy. She broke the
I'm
toilet.
sorry.
Let's do
Okay, you're
blah, blah.
sorry.
Yeah, let's name him.
Blah, blah. Poop.
Blah, blah, poop.
Blah blah doo doo. Blah doo.
What the
Doo blah.
heck is
We'll
that?
call doo doo blah blah.
Sorry, honey.
And we'll call him doo blah. Doo blah.
Do blah.
Yes. Come on, come on.
Doo blah. Doo
wait.
blah. What you say? Crazy.
Crazy.
West,
What did you do, kids, to
Then West
say?
must be crazy. West
I
drive
do
the
blah,
car.
I do blah, I do
What? You want to drive the car? Are you sure
do blah, do blah.
you can drive? Okay, let's get out of here. See you later, suckers.